Jovano, Jovanke. Hello, dear people from body music community all over the world.
Hello everybody,
This is Marko,
this is Ana.
and we are music and theater group Alisa and WonderBand from Serbia. We are doing body music here in Balkans, and we decided to teach you some of our Balkan irregular rhythms or odd rhythms. And the first one that came into our mind is 7/8, and it's division of 3, 2, 2. So we are going to do with you some basic body percussion and a little bit more advanced, slowly working it with you, and then give you a simple example of a song you could sing with this body percussion rhythm model.
So, we start with chest, and then chest, and then thighs. So, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Right, left, 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 right, right.
And it's the accent that is on the first. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1.
Chest,
Chest, thighs, chest, chest, thighs.
left, right, 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 left, left.
Ha, 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 ha. So the next element is the snap, and we put the snaps in 2, 3, and 2.
2 and 2.
So it goes like this.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
Left, right,
1,
right,
1,
right,
1,
right, left,
1,
left,
1,
left, left, right,
1,
right,
1,
right,
1,
right, left,
1,
left,
1, 2.
left. And then when we put in the chest and the thighs also, we start with the right hand on the chest, then we have snap with the left, snap with the right, and then we have the left on the chest, right snap, left on the thigh, right snap. And then we do the reverse. We start from the left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So let's try to do it slowly together. Okay, so we start from the chest with the right hand.
3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, stop.
So this one was the basic, and if you want to put more fire inside, then you also use your feet. But the feet don't go usually when they go as on every accent on the first. No, we put them on the second.
Yeah.
So it's much more interesting. So now if we do it only with the feet, it goes like this. We start with the right.
Yes. And then left, right, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2.
You just lift your weight from one
one,
feet to
two,
the other.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2.
And if
One,
in the
two,
next
three,
circle we are going to put
two,
also the
one,
chest,
two,
thighs,
one,
and
two, three,
the
one,
snaps.
2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, woohoo! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Something is happening here.
And I don't know
1, 2, 3,
how we're going to be
1, 2,
symmetrical instead of doing the same, but it's the great impro you have.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2,
Okay.
1, stop.
And if we go a few steps back, and we take it as a version of conical maybe, then you
Yes.
do
Tu, c, c, tu, c, ta, c. 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 Tu,
Boom.
c, tu, c, ta, c. Tu,
Boom.
c, tu,
Boom.
c, ta, c.
Boom.
Tu,
Boom.
c, tu,
Boom.
c, ta, c.
Boom.
Tu,
Boom.
c, tu,
Boom.
c, ta, c.
Boom.
Tu.
Doo-doo. And a song that you could sing to this rhythm is Jovano, Jovanke, a beautiful Macedonian song. I hope you heard. If you didn't, you will hear it right now. It's, let's say, its name is Hey Jovan, Jovano, Jovanke. And it goes like this, a little bit quicker. So we won't use any of the Macedonian words, but just Jovano, Jovanke. Okay?
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Jovano, Jovanke. Da-da-dum, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-da. Da-da-dum, da-da-da-da-da-da. Jovano. Jovano, Jovanke, da-dum, da-da-da-da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, Jovano, pam 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 pam. So this is the ending. Ram tam tam tam. A very usual Balkan ending. And with this ending, we are finishing this first workshop of Balkan body music
Irregular Balkan Rhythm.
for you. From Marko,
From Ana.
Alisa and WonderBand. And if you liked it, please do subscribe to our channel so you can follow more of our videos. Thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye.